Hi, this is Subhashini, and I'm working as assistant professor in the Computer Science and Engineering department at BS Abdul Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology. And this video is regarding for the project which is assigned for blended and flipping learning technology during the FTP program, which is conducted in the last week. And so the topic which I've taken here for this taking this assignment project work is on LMS Google Classroom. So that the course which I taken here is for the semester which I handling now. That is the IBM Design Thinking course. So this is what the course plan which I have designed after taking up this course. Before earlier it was totally different, and now I have made only for the module one. I have taken up this course. So we have given the teacher activity, student activity, and resources and the times. So I have said this. I have followed these all these terms, all these the same thing which I followed here, and for the course. And the next thing is for so next is I'm having this LMS, which is the which is I have taken here for the Google Classroom. So in the Google Classroom, I have listed many courses for the past few years. And in this semester, I have taken the course for IBM Design Thinking course. So in this course, we have already the semester has been started. So I have the students already joined using the code, and so totally we have 50 students in this course. And regarding the course schedules, already we have fixed up all the topics here. So the syllabus is given. The syllabus is given as per the college institute. So in that itself, the course outcomes will be defined. And the next is the course schedule. The course schedule is fixed in the college, and it has been the meetings will be displayed, will be notified, given in the stream. So all the dates and which day the classes begins, and which the timings and the topics. So all these things will be given in the stream, so that it's automatically will be reached to the student's email ID. And the next is the prerequisite for this course is given few activities. So the main prerequisite for the course is to be having an problem solving skills. So for that, I have given few activities, the problems which you are facing during this COVID time at the home. So for this activity, I have used few more tools, that is Mentimeter tools, for analyzing the students' activities. And next is about that assessment pattern. So the assessment pattern I have given in this list, so that the students will be knowing what are the assessments will be there. And for the grading also, I have fixed up with respect to this gradings. So the marks is already I have provided in this format. So this is not been set actually. I have just set it only with respect to after having this session of this FTP. The next about the videos, the course videos is already been posted in the students each modules. So each modules, whatever the sessions I have taken, so all the videos will be posted. So the course modules for each and every days which I have taken classes, so everything will be posted in the day after the classes. So this is all the videos which I posted for each and every modules for the students. And the next about the materials is, so for this material, all the PPTs which I've taken is consolidation of all the resources which already is available, as well as some private resources which is taken from the IBM. So with license, and so those, with the help of those materials, I have prepared the PPT, and that has been circulated. The materials has been circulated for the students. As well as for this course, the students should be taking up the self-paced learning course. There is two courses which I already set for the students. That is one of the course is the online course to taking up a design thinking practitioner batch, and another course is a team essentials and agile and the DevOps. So these are the online courses in which students can take up the course and getting a digital batch. And the other activity we are giving is the students can have, I have given a activity on the Moodle, and the students can take up the activity on different platforms using storyboard, whiteboard. Similarly, the different platforms, whether they can able to do the activity in collaboration with the other team members. And the discussions is already been there for the students with respect to the activities. So how to do the activities, all the how to make it up the activities and the discussions with me. So everything is the students will be doing. Students have posted some kind of discussions in this column. And regarding mm, okay, regarding these courses, I have used few more tools for assigning the students assessment. So the first is the Kahoot. So in the Kahoot, I have uploaded a quiz, and the students have taken up the quiz. And with respect to, we have calculated the students' performance. And another tool I have used is the Socrates. So in the Socrative tool quiz, in their quiz also I have made the quiz, and the students have attended the quiz. So with that I can able to analyze the students' report also. And the next tool which I've used is Mentimeter. So in the Mentimeter is actually I have using this Mentimeter for the interactive presentations, as well as the having the many kind of a presentation, that many kind of activities when you're doing the presentation. So this is also and one of the tool which I've used for the students for doing the activities. And the next is the Padlet. So in the Padlet also I have used the activity for the students while handling the classes. So the students also very much actively participated in the Padlet activity, and they have given more inputs and they enjoyed, and as well as learned more things, had fun during this activity. And the other one which I've used here is the Edpuzzle. So in the Edpuzzle also I have posted a video. So earlier I posted the same video without any kind of questions, but after then I have posted that video with questions in the middle. And so few students I have posted, and that has been posted in the Google Classroom, and few students have taken, and few more students should be taken up. And for this also I have set the due dates, so the students can have the due dates. With respect to the due dates, they can able to complete it. So that will be displaying in that post too. So these, and next is the concept map. So for to know about how the courses been structured with the help of this IBM design thinking, so I have made a course map, that is concept map, to understand the whole overview of it, IBM design thinking. So here I have used the main concept with the tools which are using and connecting with the tools. So this gives the overview of a whole concept of the IBM design thinking, which I have designed using the design map. So likewise, all these tools I have used for this course with the help of this FTP program, this faculty training program. And I have trying to involve many more tools to be used for this course too. So in the upcoming days, I will be using all those tools for this course. As of now, I have just made the changes in only in the Google Classroom, and later we'll have another LMS, and I will be loading those details in another LMS to use for the students. So thank you for the opportunity provided, and thank you for utilizing all the tools which I provided for the students. So thank you so much, and thank you. This is my privilege to share my views, all these things which I've done so far for the students too. So thank you for the opportunity. Thank you so much.